This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Susie Burns. Stunning home on Lake Estrella that has barely been lived in. Entertaining is a breeze in this chef's kitchen with an open floor plan. Divided bedrooms gives you and your guests the privacy desired. Finished bonus room above the garage. Amazing windows across the rear of the home makes this home light and bright while enjoying the lake view. Step outside and relax on either covered patio. Fenced backyard. Now is your chance to have that recently built home without the hassle of building. Taxes on lot only. For more information, review the details below or contact Susie Burns at 501-922-8989.